I ask, you vote, and you shall receive. Hi, I'm Steve, and today we're just gonna talk about how to get good audio in Fursuit, just like me. I am sick, by the way, so that kinda sucks ass, but like, whatever happens. Yeah. Yeah, why am I doing this video? It's to make it very simple. I don't think you want to hear that, like the reverby audio with my voice barely coming through, actually. Yeah, anyway, I'ma just categorize the video in setup, synchronization, and maybe the editing, which is optional if you really want to have the highest quality possible, like the very crisp audio. And yeah, let's just go. Yeah, so what do you need? A phone. Maybe something newer. Or if you want to be funny, tablet. What do you need next? The headset. However, nothing like that. Guess what? That's it. That's all you need. Nothing else. Never mind, if you have fur, you might need that. So what exactly do you have to do to get the crisp audio? Well, to make it very simple, there you go. You open up your voice recorder app for whichever device you have. For example, for Android, it is right there in the Samsung folder, or at least I put it there. For Apple, thank you for nothing, dumbass. And for Apple, it's right there. So what do you do now? You're gonna take your fursuit head, the hungry boy or girl, or non-binary. You're gonna force feed the phone, because they don't want to eat it, of course. Unless they're a protogen. In that case, well, congrats. You're gonna untangle the fucking cable. And then you're gonna pull on the phone. Consume. He hungry. Nom nom nom. Well, that was not my intention, but there you go. And then you pull the fire and it falls onto the ground. Fair. Yeah, anyway, what you wanna do is you're gonna pull on the phone, the cable, and then like try to put the headphones around so that the microphone, like that's right there. That tiny dot right there, that's your microphone. So that it kind of rests on here, I guess, or somewhere in between, so that it's in front of your mouth, but like not like touching your mouth, like hello. What gonna be bad? Yeah, then you have like the audio part set up more or less. Then you're gonna do the recording thing. You're gonna start recording on a phone or a tablet on your audio device. You're gonna start recording on your other phone or your camera or whatever you have. Your video recording device. You're gonna maybe want to do something like clapping for help syncing up the audio, which we'll do in the next process. Or I won't if my voice just keeps on dying now. It'd be kind of bad. So now you take your audio, which I by the way fucking didn't. Fuck! Where is it? Well, I found it. Oh my god, my phone just didn't turn on anymore. It's fine. So now you do the big brain step. So now you just want to quickly convert that to to be fair, MP3 files just fine for that case, even though you do want to have like the best quality possible. But if we're honest, 320 kilobits for an MP3 file is pretty nice. So now that you have that, you can also import your videos from your camera, from your phone, the same way, or via USB, I don't know. In my case, I still have to do that because I did not move anything yet. So I'll quickly do that. I'm surprised that it didn't pick up my face yet. Did you pick up my face yet? You actually did, mad. Never mind. So now that you have your videos imported, you might want to import your audio. Well, where did I fucking put that? Okay, I can cut the video right there. The similarities right there, so just... Okay, yeah, that matched up almost nicely. You want to do that frame perfect, by the way. Another frame. Good move. There you go. Now I can do the cut. Well, now you add your videos, of course, which I'm quickly gonna do. So I kinda messed up with the audio the entire fucking time. My NVIDIA experience was kinda very sad, because NVIDIA only allows one video stream to be decoded or encoded at a time. Just fucking stupid. So there's just not
good audio anymore for the synchronization and part. Anyway, we're gonna come to the final part, which is the editing part actually. And for that, you want to nest your footage so that, anyway, you want to... So please just disregard everything I said. I cannot explain shit, especially when recording apparently. I was just rambling around. Yeah, I'ma just quickly explain everything again. So what do you want to do? You want to remove all the lows, all the highs, depending on your voice type. In this case, I just looked at the lowest frequency and just went slightly below it. It's really just to get rid of like low rumble, like I don't know, a truck driving by or just something that really can mess with the audio and stuff. What you also want to do is just remove the highs because nobody needs them. YouTube cuts out after 16,000 anyway. Then you want to really add some highs in most cases because the Fursuit is gonna consume all of them. I don't know what the fuck I did here, but I don't know why I did that, but I did. Next step, you're gonna add a multi-band compressor just to control the loudness of the mids and the highs a bit more. Because otherwise they might overtake at some point. Yeah, last step, you want to add another compressor just to control the volume a bit more, that it stays very consistent preferably. And if I'm honest, I use like very aggressive settings here. In the best case, you don't have to do that hard. Yeah. And this is how you get good audio in Fursuit. Have a day.